Welcome back to Vlogmas. Today is day 3, technically December 1st. So we're going to be doing lots of first of the month things, mainly cleaning, switching out calendars, and doing cinnamon salt ritual. Good morning, guys. So today is day 3 of Vlogmas. Today is December 1st. I know that's a little confusing, but it's because I already have 2 videos for day 1 and day 2. So today is December 1st, but I am coming at you guys with this day 3 Vlogmas. Good morning, Bookie.
Hi. I'm doing a little circuit, upper body circuit. It's raining.
It's scary out there. I set out the girls' advent calendars, and then we, the past couple years, have bought a Christmas puzzle to complete throughout the month. It's 1,000 pieces. It's RAMSES over there, huffing and puffing. It started raining last night, and it's been raining all night. The girls are all still asleep, and this is my second day in a row waking up at 5 in the morning. It's Friday, Ramses' last day of work this week. Ramses is almost done, and then he's gonna go in and make the kids breakfast and stuff while I work out. That's like the perfect scenario for me to be up with him. Doesn't always happen. I'm not always the most pleasant morning person, so he doesn't really enjoy waking me up, and I always ask him, like, please wake me up. He's like, I do, and you get mad. Did I get mad this morning when you woke me up? I did? What did I say?
I grabbed your butt like that, and then you're like, don't pinch me.
Yeah, I felt like you went like this, like you like grabbed me, and I was like, don't pinch me. I'm sorry. I apologize.
I needed that apology because I was a little upset in the moment. I was like, what the fuck? I'm trying to wake you up.
I'm sorry. I know, I realized it after I like woke up and everything, and I was like, look how freaking wet it is. It's weird for it to rain like this over here, you know?
Yeah, bro.
We're in the desert, literally, in the Sonoran desert. It was raining all night long, so it really cooled things down. Like, if it doesn't rain, like, it doesn't get that cold. Like, it gets cold for a little while in the mornings and in the evenings, but it doesn't really stay like cold throughout the day. So I think now with this, like, we had a rain. What did we have a rain like a month ago maybe? I remember thinking like, dang, it's actually gonna start to be a little cooler now. Definitely gonna be even colder now with this all night rain that we had. So I'm excited. We suffer in this heat like 9 months out of the year. So the 3 months that it's actually cold, we're like, yes. I feel like it's the opposite. Like when you're in an area where it snows and it's winter and you get that like seasonal depression. That's how it kind of is for us too in the summer. Like unless you're gonna go swim or you're gonna go somewhere where it's like nice temperature, which is like 3-4 hours away from where we live, you're not gonna get a very nice climate summer here. It's gonna be unbearably hot. You can't go outside, just like it's unbearably cold. So it's like, I feel like a lot of people get that seasonal depression during the summer here because you can't really do anything. So yeah, we're excited for the winter time for us. I feel like our winter is like most people's fall time as far as our temperature. So we have like a fall winter.
Yeah, it's not going to get below 30.
No.
It will not get below 30.
No, yeah.
Maybe in the morning it might be 20 degrees for 3 hours.
Maybe.
Do that? Yeah. It
Yeah.
It snowed in Tucson last year, but very little, so we can handle it.
And it's like a phenomenon. We're like, oh wow, it snowed. That's amazing. We never see that. Well, I mean, it snows up north in Arizona. If you guys didn't know that, it snows up north in Arizona. But we live like on the south side. So sweet. So I'm gonna get my workout in, and then I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, I'm all showered. I like to keep my skincare pretty basic. I did go to esthetician school back in 2013. I just never took my boards and worked because I literally found out I was pregnant with my first daughter on graduation night. So, you know, obviously all my priorities changed after that. I just got this new vitamin C. I usually use the one that my esthetician recommends, but I ran out, so I ordered this one, the CosRx brand that does that snail mucin stuff. It's Korean skincare, but it smells really bad. It smells like turkey oil. It's weird. Anyway, and then I use this sunscreen that I get from her as well. This is the Origins Ginseng Eye Cream. So that's all I do for morning skincare. After I work out, after I shower, all the things. I really like to use argan oil. I have very dry skin. We live in dry ass Arizona. So I need all the moisture. No, this one doesn't stink.
What does it smell?
Nothing really, just like oil. Yeah, it doesn't really smell like anything. And then my favorite thing to do is use my body lotion with this. I just like put like 10 squirts of this in here. Makes it so much more moisturizing.
Hey, you gotta subscribe if you like this video.
Wow.
You're strong.
Hi guys, so it is 2:42. We did school. It was a very emotional day today. Very happy emotions and then very like sad emotions. Like everybody had a good cry, including myself. So yeah, I was like, wow, I'm glad it's Friday. The kids usually don't have iPad time on school days, 4 days out of the week that we do school. But usually on the last day, when we end the week on a Thursday or if we end the week on a Friday, the school week, I usually will let them have some sort of screen time. So they cleaned up their room, they cleaned up the playroom really good, they cleaned up their desk area, did their laundry bin and all that. So they got all that done. So I let them have some iPad time, including Mavis. She's also on the iPad. So I've honestly just been cleaning this whole time. I actually made myself food. I made myself a breakfast sandwich because I was starving. I don't know why, like my stomach was growling, but it is the week before my period, so that could be why I'm a little hungrier than usual. But I helped Mavis get into a costume. I cleaned up the living room and I just kind of like make my way around this area. Like I was in the living room and then I came into the kitchen and then I started doing the dishes and then I started going to the dining area over there where we do school, cleaning that up. So I'm kind of trying to get everything done. Mavis's area over there is a little messy too, so I gotta clean that up. And this is something that I do on the first. For me, it is important to get pretty much every room in the house, which this is not something that I don't already do. I already have a pretty good cleaning routine, so it doesn't take me that long. It probably takes me like an hour to clean the entire house, if that. And then the kids already cleaned up their room, the playroom. We cleaned up the office on Wednesday. The office was a disaster because we've been getting Christmas presents in, and also when we had Thanksgiving, we had put Mavis' little kitchen and some toys into the office as well. So we cleaned all that out on Wednesday, so that's good because that would have taken me a lot longer by myself because it was when RAMSES was here on Wednesday and we also planned that day for December. So once I'm done out here, I will probably hit the hallway a little bit. There might be some things there that I need to put away, and then check my room a little bit. My room should be pretty cleaned up. And then I will do my cinnamon and salt ritual in my doorway. Hopefully I can journal. Usually I like to journal in the morning, but this morning I didn't get around to it. So if anything, I'll do it tonight before bed. And you know, every time I do the dishes and they pile up, like a lot of the time I'm the type of person that unloads the dishwasher like first thing in the morning so that we can just put the dirty dishes into the dishwasher all day. If you're a homeschooler, you know that the sink will get full by like lunchtime, which is what happened this morning because I didn't do the dishwasher this morning, so the sink is full of dishes. So I always like laugh when people are like, oh my god, vacation is over, the holiday break is over, like sending the kids back to school, oh it was so rough. I'm just like, you know, that's cool, good for you. I chose this life, okay? I'm not complaining. I'm just saying it's a little funny. It's a little silly, goofy, funny for me when people that are not homeschoolers say that about like setting their kids back. Okay, yeah, you guys get it. All right, let me kind of, maybe I should show you guys around a little bit. That way you guys can see what I have left to do. It is 2:49, so let's see how long it takes me to finish. Random bin. Gonna clean this up. Put some of these things away. Wheel that into the office. I'm gonna put those blankets away. The living room's cleaned up. Don't mind my bulb tree. We're gonna decorate it this weekend. And I cleaned up a little bit already. I'm just gonna get some of the stuff off the floor, clear off this table. This area is good. This whole area is good too. I just need to take these little things back to schoolroom. But the kitchen is pretty much picked up. I always put our waters there. I put their advent calendars there. And yeah, just a couple random things that I gotta put away. But here's the full sink after just breakfast and lunch. And then here is the full dishwasher. I'm gonna take this into the garage and clear all this off. So let's see how long it takes me. I'm also, fun fact, watching the documentary about Sylvester Stallone. It's called Sly on Netflix. Pretty cool. I love documentaries. I'm done cleaning. It's 4:14 now. I feel like the day flew by. I was like, it's gonna be such a cozy day. Like, I'm gonna just relax. I'm gonna lay in my bed. Like, I have not even been in my room at all. I have no idea what we're gonna do for dinner. Does anybody else get like burnt out making 3 meals a day? I also want to do the groceries, at least start my order. I'm a order on the app and pick up type of girly. I feel like it helps us stay on budget too. So like the few times that we've actually gone in person to the grocery store, double easy our budget. Let me go do my salt and cinnamon ritual. I haven't had a hot coffee in months.
Alright, come eat.
So this is my 3rd month making these chalkboard calendars for each month, and I honestly am getting way better each time, faster and better. Before I used to overthink it. I had trouble with the markers, but I definitely have gotten the hang of it, and it was nice having the girls' help. I wouldn't have been able to finish it as fast as I did without their help on the little pictures and drawings and stuff. So I think it's our best one yet. After I put Mavis to sleep, I came out and helped Sissy lay out the puzzle. So if you guys are familiar with big puzzles like this, you kind of want to lay everything out, flip everything over, and be able to just, have a good view of all of the pieces. And then Ramses and I ended up staying up a little later than the kids to get it started for them. All right, time for bed. Good night. Starting it is always the hardest part. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 4 of Vlogmas.